Hello, my name is Lance Eckstein, and I currently don't have any pets or kids, and I have a family with uh, my parents, brothers, aunts and uncles, and all that stuff, A- and also a loving fiance. Um, my hobbies consist of cooking, fishing, and also a car collection with my father. I currently work at a soul food restaurant in Atlantic City called Kelsey's. What brought me to Stockton is it was the next conclusion moving forward down my educational career path because from a culinary arts degree from Atlantic Cape Community College. I'm currently located in Atlantic City on Stockton's Atlantic City campus. Um, and I chose to study hospitality and tourism management studies. I figured that it would be the next logical step from a associate's degree in culinary arts. I eventually want to own multiple food and beverage outlets with my fiance and possibly a hotel. I would describe some of my learning tools um, as them being a complicated because there's so many different learning tools out there, and I've used so many throughout my educational career that it's hard to keep track of the different platforms and all of their special intricacies of how they work. The one that best works for me, I think, is Blackboard, just because I've used it consistently throughout my time at Atlantic Cape and here at Stockton. I've changed since high school and especially middle school. I started to see how the world can be in terms of see it not being as bright and rosy as middle school and especially high school uh, turned it out to be. I blame this on um, working in multiple kitchens and all that of and working with sometimes some of the people that I've worked with that sometimes it's not really not everyone's out there to be your friend. um, I've changed since the beginning of COVID because I've been more health conscious in terms of what not only what I consume, but more aware of it, touching my face, more aware of um, after leaving the room, touching a surface or whatever. I make sure to that my hands are nice and sanitized and everything, because it seems so doom and gloom with the news and everything of there's always a something out there to kill us with a new COVID variant. I believe that there's some sort of monkey virus or something like that, and that is recently out there on the news, and yeah, it's anyway. Thank you.